Ready?
It's recording.
All right, here we go. Gotta have fresh batteries in it. The app is very, very easy. You just load it, turn it on. Then you turn on your little drone, turn on the hand controller, push down on the left button once, and it pairs. Voila! We're paired. We can adjust the camera at different angles. So let's start recording. Should be able to see it. Control, come on. And you make sure you connect to its Wi-Fi, which is the one that says Loolinn. We're connected. Got it. Got it. All right, so we are paired. The lights are solid. Takeoff. After calibration successfully, press this button. Drone will fly up and keep flying to an altitude of 1.2 meters. There's a button right here.
Where on earth are you taking it? You're gonna bump into me.
Oh yeah. I saved it. I got video. I need video. Come on.
Oh, there's Buddy.
Huh?
Buddy.
Yep.
I love Buddy. I'm gonna sit down. Oh my goodness.
Why don't I have video right now? It's like the video is. Hang on. Oh, there we go. All right. Off we go.
Off he goes. Alright, I'm kind of colorblind and I can't really see it.
We got this beautiful aspen tree right here.
Uh-huh.
Here's some pictures of it. See how far up it goes?
Dad. He's... Oh, uh-oh.
I'm working it. Here we come. Not bad.
You're much better at this one. There's no windows to bump into.
Oh, yeah. Okay, here we come for landing.
Sure.
Okay, that's pretty cool. If you can hold altitude, holding altitude. We don't have a camera going though.
That's the wall.
That's okay. We got it. We got it.
I don't think you do.
I gotta figure out which way is which. I've never done a drone. Go backwards.
God.
I'm gonna try to land it.
Please don't let it anywhere near me.
We're not landing very well.
No,
I should
not.
learn how to land.
You should learn how to use a drone.
Yep. But nice thing is, it's got those propeller guards on it. Damn. Dude. Okay, so we got that, but we didn't get any. Okay, guys. So the Loolinn U61. Fun. Calibration's always going to be, and when you knock it around, calibration's messed up. So what you do is turn it back off and then back on, and it will calibrate. Now, what I mean by that is that your left becomes right, right becomes left, and things like that. So all that. Now, I got it way up there, probably about 60 feet above me. Then I got nervous. And I didn't want it. You know, we have no wind right now. But we should be able to see some colors because of the aspen trees and stuff. And it's just so pretty with the yellow and red. Thank you, Becca. Mm-hmm. And 7 minutes is quite a bit of time for just playing around with it. I did not get an out of range alarm, which is good. But I didn't, the battery indicator on the remote or on the app said it was 30%, but it wasn't. It had died. So don't rely on the battery indicator on the app. So let me show you what we did today. And overall, fun little item for 70 bucks. It gets a little crazy, but tough as nails. I banged it around a lot, as you will see in the video. And I didn't break it, which is always a really good thing. So let's see what's next.